Hey, this is Jeff from Task AGI. This process used to take hours. Now it's automated with Task AGI AI agents. Let me show you how.
Tired of paying monthly fees for lead scraping tools that give you outdated data? What if I told you there's a better way that costs a fraction of the price and gives you fresh contact information whenever you need it? This AI agent automatically visits company websites, finds their contact pages, and extracts email addresses and phone numbers directly into your Google Sheet. No more copying and pasting, no more manual data entry, just a list of companies and the agent does the rest. Here's how it actually works. The agent starts by reading your Google Sheet where you've listed company websites. It then creates a loop that processes each company one by one. For every website, an AI-powered browser automation visits the site, navigates to the contact page just like a human would, and intelligently extracts any contact information it finds. The smart part is how it handles different website layouts. Some companies put contact info in the footer. Others have dedicated contact pages. Some hide it in the About section. The AI figures this out automatically without you having to write custom code for each site. Once the contact information is found, the agent searches your spreadsheet for the correct row and updates it with the results. Everything happens automatically while you focus on actually reaching out to these leads instead of hunting for their contact details. Setup takes about 5 minutes. You'll connect your Google Sheets account so the agent can read and write data. Then you'll enable browser automation, which is built right into Task AGI. After that, you just point the agent to your spreadsheet and hit run. The best part? You can process hundreds of companies in the time it would take you to manually research just 10. Sales teams use this to build prospect lists. Recruiters use it to gather company information. Anyone doing outreach can benefit. Stop paying for expensive lead scraping subscriptions that give you the same stale data as everyone else. Deploy this agent once and run it whenever you need fresh contact information, your leads, your data, your control,